everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today was a rainy morning and I decided to get some work done that had needed doing. I had a sewing project I wanted to try, and I will tell you, I wish I would have done it a lot sooner. So I have got a closet full of flat sheets, and our fitted sheets get wore out so fast. My husband is a kicker at night, and he has literally wore holes through the ends of the sheets where he rubs his feet at night. I don't know if it's the roughness of his feet. My feet are a lot rougher than his, I'll tell you. So I did a little bit of a sewing project. I took some pictures along the way. So today was the day to change the bedding, and he only had one sheet ready to go, and it was on the bed. I don't want to spend the day doing laundry, so I thought I'll take one of those clean sheets, and I'm going to turn a flat, queen size sheet into a fitted sheet. And it only takes a little bit of elastic that I already had on hand. Let me show you what we did. The thing that is so great about this project, it costs pennies to do this. A set of sheets. We have an extra deep pocket mattress, and it takes 18 inches or deeper for our fitted sheet. The hard thing about that is it's $80 for just a standard sheet set, not a super quality high thread count, and the last brand new set of sheets, I think I paid about $80 for. Within 6 months, I had a hole at the end of the sheet. In another laundering fiasco, a little bit of bleach got splashed on it and created another hole. Now, I had thought about patching the sheet where I had the hole, but I knew that would be uncomfortable. I don't want to take being frugal to an extreme, but doing some sewing projects I can definitely do. I already had some mending and sewing things to do. Now I have the confidence to make our own sheets anytime from scratch, just from bolts of material at the fabric store. Now I know the lighting in here isn't the best. I don't have anything to supplement it. So I took some pictures along the way, and I took some video clips of the sewing process. But this is super, super simple. I laid my flat sheet out on the bed, and I figured out where the fall of the mattress would be. Now on this sheet, I totally cheated, and I simply eyeballed it, and it worked out perfect. There were no adjustments, no mistakes, and it's just right. I did not cut anything off of the top of the bed. I didn't undo the hem where they fold over the top of the sheet at all. I simply cut a square out the depth of the mattress. So this was 18 inches. I went 18 inches from the corner, and I cut it. I went 18 inches from that corner, and I cut it that way. So there was just a square cut out of the flat sheet. I took the two corners, lined them up at the bottom, and did a nice stitch. Make sure that you back stitch on the ends. And then I simply took some elastic, did a zigzag stitch. Make sure you tack it down right here at the end with a stay stitch and stretch it as you go. And then that'll stretch out your elastic just like this, so that when you pull it down over the mattress, it's just perfect. Now this is probably a 5-year-old sheet that's been sitting in the closet almost unused, because every time I put a flat sheet over the bed under the blankets, he kicks it all off in the first day anyway. So I just quit using them. So I was able to go into my own closet, use up something that wasn't getting used, and now we've got a brand new sheet for our bed. I think we did pretty good for ourselves. Now I can take some of that money that I saved on getting new sheets, and I can finally get some pillow shams to match our comforter. That has bothered me for years, that we haven't had a perfectly coordinated looking bedroom. Not everything matters in life. Just having a comfortable place to sleep on a nice clean set of sheets is definite a bonus for a guy like my husband who goes off working hard all day long. The least I can do is give him a comfortable home. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time. I hope these tips helped you. Bye-bye.